Unlock Audi A3 2020 key with OTOFIX IM2 plus APB131 adapter, full key programming guide. Hey there, tech heads and car lovers. Have you ever wondered how to program a new key for a 2020 Audi A3 MQB system using just the OTOFIX IM2 and an APB131 adapter? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. But first, real quick, do you know where the immobilizer data is stored on the Audi Q3 F3 2020 model? Think you've got it figured out? Drop your answer in the comments below before we reveal it at the end of the video. Now, before we unlock the full process, pun intended, here's a personal message. If you're someone who enjoys learning about automotive diagnostics and you love turning complex tech into something practical and fun, this channel is your new favorite pit stop. So don't just cruise by. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like if you're learning something new, and leave a comment to tell us what tools you're using in your garage. Let's hit our challenge today. 1,000 likes and 100 comments in the next 24 hours. Can we do it? I believe in this amazing community. Disclaimer: this video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. Everything shared here, whether demonstrations, procedures, or tools, is meant to inform and empower technicians, automotive enthusiasts, and curious learners. All trademarks and brand names are the property of their respective owners, and we follow fair use practices. Always check your vehicle manufacturer's guidelines and abide by local regulations when doing any kind of programming or diagnostic work. All right, let's roll up our sleeves and jump into today's case study. We've got our hands on an Audi Q3 F3 from the year 2020. The vehicle was originally delivered with just one key, and the task at hand is to successfully add a second key using the OTOFIX IM2 key programmer, along with the APB131 adapter. Now here's the fun part. This adapter doesn't just work with Audi's Maxim IM508 and IM608. It's also fully compatible with OTOFIX IM1 and IM2 devices, making it a versatile tool for many techs out there. User feedback on this setup has been pretty positive, and the process is almost identical to programming with the IM608. So if you've done that before, you're in familiar territory, but with a twist. So here's how the procedure unfolds. The immobilizer data on the Audi Q3 is actually stored in the dashboard cluster. Yep, that's right. Not the ECU or key module, but the cluster. That's your answer to the earlier question, if you guessed it. To get started, we carefully remove the instrument panel. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. You only need to disassemble about half the dashboard, and before long, the entire cluster is out and on the table, ready for action. The part number? It's 83 A900-2800B for those of you who want specifics. Next up, we connected the APB131 adapter, specifically designed for MQB V850 and RH850 processors. It's essential for interfacing with this kind of instrument cluster. Along with the adapter, we supplied additional power to the OTOFIX IM2 to ensure stable communication during the data read process. After about 7 to 10 minutes, the key file was ready, super quick and efficient. Once the file is saved, we moved to the Immo data section of the software, where we loaded the saved file. This automatically generated the CS component security and MAC code, both crucial pieces for the next steps. Now we're at the exciting part, preparing the dealer keys. In our case, we had 2 keys ready to be adapted. The final step is known as key learning or key adaptation. On your instrument panel, you'll see a counter start at 0/3. Apply each key to the immobilizer coil one by one. As the system recognizes each one, the count will go up until you reach 3/3, signaling that the key adaptation process is complete. And just like that, you've added a new key to a 2020 Audi Q3 using the OTOFIX IM2 and the APB131 adapter. The entire process is efficient, relatively straightforward for seasoned techs, and doesn't require removing or desoldering the processor, thanks to the clever design of this adapter. Now, before we head into our outro, what do you think about this key programming method? Have you used the APB131 adapter before, or are you still working with traditional key programming tools? I'd love to know your thoughts, so don't forget to comment and share this video with a fellow technician or friend in the field who might benefit. From my experience, OTOFIX continues to prove itself as a powerful alternative in the world of diagnostics and key programming. With affordable tools and fast, precise operations, it's opening new doors, literally and figuratively, for techs around the globe. But I want to hear from you. Do you think OTOFIX tools can rival the big names like Audi and Launch in 2025? Let me know below. And before we wrap this up, remember that question from the start? If you said the immobilizer data is stored in the dashboard cluster, you nailed it. That detail is key, pun totally intended, to successful programming on MQB vehicles like this Audi. If you made it this far into the video, thank you for being awesome. But seriously, don't leave without subscribing. It costs you nothing, but means the world to me and helps keep this channel alive and growing. Let's continue building a smart, skilled, and supportive diagnostic community right here. Hit that like button if this video helped, drop a comment with your experience, and let's smash our goal of 1,000 likes and 100 comments today. And hey, if you want to go the extra mile, consider clicking that super thanks to support future content. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and as always, happy diagnosing.